Wagwan upon his was. So the video is going to be on the Jamaica Gleaner, their letter of the day, because they had put up a post of Vybz Kartel and Shorty celebrating Liquor Addy about to turn them into grandparents, and it was titled, "Are we now celebrating statutory?" And based on YouTube, you know what the rest is. So this is what the Gleaner has to say. What is even more frightening is that the grandparents to be are so caught up in celebration that they have hosted a baby shower for the pair. Underneath that, the Gleaner has taken note of some of the comments under this article, an overwhelming majority of which are offensive and contain expletives. As a consequence, we have taken the unusual step to restrict further comments. The editor, Madam, it's rather unfortunate that at a time like this, when our children's advocates should be vocal, they are so silent. What am I speaking of, you may ask? Is it the case of a young lady at 18 years old becoming pregnant by Adidja Vybz Kartel Palmer's 15-year-old son? This, according to our rule of law, contributes statutory. You know what it is. Visit the link in our stories to read more online and whatnot. So like I'm saying, story again, I don't want to go into because of them Gaza nation or Gaza goon or Gaza, I don't know them, but Gaza. It's because of the influence that Vybz Kartel have and them having on a pedestal and them really not preach. If it was the other way around and it was the young man 18 and the little girl 50, it would have been a different story. If the even somebody case, if it's Vybz Kartel that wasn't the grandparent and it was this two, it would have been a different story. The way them respond to it, that if them want to celebrate, me tell them have all right for that. For them picnic. If them feel like, yo, him becoming a father make him a man, and that are the way of the street and my dad and him a this, then for them think that. Everybody parent different. But because of the influence that him carry, him should have never take it to social media and do it that way. It open a bigger door now. It would have almost come like, for instance, I'm not comparing. It kind of is, but really not. Even with the bleaching thing, we know something of Vybz Kartel. People are bleach from what to kill Hilo. But because I'm influenced, it opened a different door where skin of. So I'm saying, not to say, like me telling you, don't come over here and start telling you and think, say, come here drunk crow. I'm just a featherless one, me fly down. So when it come on to people and them things, me try to stay wild. I'm just saying is, if you'd have looked upon it from a different perspective, then could have deal with it differently. It's like there's no consequence to it. And just like them say, because when you're 18, you're an adult. If it was the other way around, would it be the same? That's all.